Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine, okay? Okay, so last class what we studied? We studied addition, right? We studied addition and we completed the home test also, right? Am I correct, students? Yes. Okay, in addition with regrouping, without regrouping, that and all we studied, right? So today we are going to revise Chapter 3, Comparison of Numbers. Okay, Chapter 3 we are going to recall. Okay, are you ready, students? Okay, so all of you take your maths practice work note. Take your maths practice work note. Today we are going to do the sums, right? Because already you know these sums, right? So today shall we start? Okay, ma. Then first topic, see here, symbols. Already you know, right, what are the types of symbols? In grade 1 also you studied, right? So what are the symbols? 3 types of symbols. One is greater, one is less, one is equal, right? So 3 types of symbols are there. So first one is greater symbol, like fish mouth. This is a fish mouth, like that you think, okay? So fish is closing the mouth. Then next, opening. This is opening. The mouth is opened. Okay? Then equal. If both the numbers are equal means you are using this symbol. Understood, ma? So greater than, less than, equal. 3 types of symbols. Greater than, less than, equal. Understood? So, see here, 184 and 200 is given. 184 and 200. So, these two numbers are how many digit number? 184 is a how many digit number? 3 digit number, right? Ones, tens, hundreds. Here also ones, tens, hundreds. So, these two numbers are 3 digit number, right? Sorry, 3 digit number, okay? So, if it is a 3 digit number means how you have to identify which number is greater, which number is smaller. How you have to identify? You have to check the hundreds place. First you have to check the hundreds place. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there, right? So, when we compare these two numbers 1 and 2, which number is greater? Which number is greater, 1 or 2? Which number is greater? 2 is the greatest number, right? So, 200 is a greater number. 184 is a smaller number, right? So, less than means which symbol? This is less, this is greater. So, less than means which symbol will come? This symbol. So, you have to use this symbol. Always the greater side will be open method. So, see here this fish is opening because this number is greater number. Okay, this is a simple concept like that. Okay, opening side the greater sign will come like that. Okay, understood, ma? Okay, the next one, 195 and 192. Here also 3 digit number and 3 digit number. If it is a 3 digit number, both the numbers are 3 digit number means what you have to do? You have to check first the 100 place. Here ones, here 1. In the hundreds place, here also 1, here also 1. So what you have to do? You have to check the tens place. Tens place, here 9, here 9. So both the numbers are 9. Here also 9, here also 9. So what you have to do? Again you have to check the ones place. In the ones place, here 5. Here 2. So which number is greater, 5 or 2? 2 is a smaller number, 5 is a greater number. So greater number means what already I said? Open. This side it will be open. Okay? Open method is greater. Okay? So 195 you have to use the greater symbol. Understood, ma? The next 152, 172. When we compare these two, 152 and 172, which number is greater? See the hundreds place. Here also 1, here also 1. So both the numbers are same. So what we have to do? We have to check the hundreds place. Sorry, tens place. So in the tens place, here 5, here 7. So 5 and 7. So which number is greater? 7 is greater. So 172 is a greater number. 152 is a smaller number, right? So less than symbol, because this is less than, this is greater than. Always the greater sign will be the opening method. Opening method. Understood? The greater sign will be opening. Understood? Okay. Now you understood, right? The symbols. Okay, ma. Then next, circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Here also see 4 numbers are given. 245, 469, 333, 414. Okay. These 3 numbers, 4 numbers are 3-digit number. Yes, this is a 3-digit, this is a 3-digit, this is a 3-digit, this is a 3-digit. All the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, you have to check. First, in the hundreds place. This is 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 4. So, first you have to see which number is greater. 2 or 4 or 3 or 4. Which number is greater? 4 is the greatest number, right? So, in the 4, 2 numbers are there. 469 and 414, right? 2 numbers. So, you have to check the second number. Here 6, here 1. So, 6 is the greatest number or 1 is the greatest number? Which number is the greatest number? 6 is the greatest number. So, 469 is the greatest number. Understood, ma? Understood? Because in the tens value, here 6, here 1. 6 is greatest number. So, the whole number is the greatest number. So, what is the number? 469. Understood? Okay. Then see the next one. 219, 275, 474 and 189. Here also you see in the hundreds place, here 2, here also 2, here 4, here 1. So, when we compare these 4, which number is greater? 2 or 4 or 1, which number is greater? 4 is the greatest number, right? Only one 4 is there. So, which is greatest number? 474. Understood, ma? 474 is the greatest number. Understood? Understood the concept of greatest number? Okay. Then, shall we go for smallest number? Okay. Smallest number here. See, 123, 165, 294, 376. So, what we have to do? We have to check the hundreds place. Here 1, here also 1, here 2, here 3. So, 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 1, 2, 3. Which number is smallest number here? 1 is the smallest number. But 2, 1 is there, right? 123 and 165. So, what you have to do? Then you have to check the tens place. In the tens place, here 2 is there, here 6 is there. So, when we compare these two, which number is the smallest number? 2 or 6? 2 is the smallest number. So, you have to circle 123. Understood? You have to circle which number? 123. Understood, ma? Okay. Then see the next one. 317, 417, 371, 471. So, what you have to do? You have to check the hundreds place. Here 3, here 4, here 3, here 4. So, what you have to do? You have to check. 3 is the smallest number or 4 is the smallest number. Then also 3, then also 4. So, 3 is the smallest number. So, you have to check from these two numbers. 317, 371. So, you have to check the tens place. Here, the tens place is 1. Here, the tens place is 7. So, when we compare these two numbers, 1 is a small number or 7 is a small number? 1 is a small number. So, what you have to write? You have to circle 317. When we compare these two numbers, 317 is the smallest number. Understood? So now everyone know greatest and smallest, right? Okay, very good students. Then see here, already we saw use the symbols. You have to use the symbols, right? This is greater, this is less than, this is equal to. You have to use these symbols. Okay, ma? Okay. 152 and 135. When we compare these two numbers, which number is greater number? Which will come? Greater symbol or less symbol or equal? You have to check. In the hundreds place, here 1 and here 1. So, what you have to do? You have to check the tens place. Here 5, here 3. So, 5 is a great number sign, right? So, 152 is a greater number. 135 is the smallest number. Already what I said? Greater side, what will come? Opening method will come, right? Less sign, the mouth will be closed. So 152 or 100 and which side the open mouth will come? This side, right? So this side the open sign will come. Understood? So this is greater, this is less. Understood, ma? Okay, then see the next one. 479, 126. Here also you have to check the hundreds place. Here 4 and here 1. So, now you know, right, when we compare these two numbers, 4 is the greatest number, 1 is the smallest number. What I said, the greatest number, which side will come? Opening method. So, open side. This is less, close side. Understood? Okay, the next 210, 220. So, again you have to check. This is a hundreds place, this is a 100 place. So, both the numbers are same. Am I correct? So, what you have to do? You have to check the next one. Here 1, here 2. So, 1 is the smallest number, 2 is the biggest number. So, which side the opening method will come? Bigger number. So, biggest side you have to open. Understood? Okay? The next one. 172, 423. You have to check the hundreds place. Here 1, here 4. So, what you have to do? Here 1, here 4. So, you know 1 is the smallest number, 4 is the greatest number. So, which side the opening method will come? The greatest side the opening method will come. So, this side. So, this is less, this is greater. Opening side, greater sign. Understood, ma? Understood? Okay. Then, see this example. This is, you have to add these two numbers and you compare and you have to use the symbols. First, you have to add. 5 plus 2 is equal to, 5 in the mind. You have to take 2 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7. Very good. Then 6 plus 3. 3 in the mind. You have to take 6 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 here. Then again here 0 plus 3, 3. 4 plus 2, 4 in the mind. Have to take 2 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6. So now you have to compare. 97 is the greatest number or 63 is the greatest number. Which number is greater? Which number is smaller? So you have to see here the two numbers are 2-digit number, right? 2-digit number. So you have to check here 9, here 6. When we compare these, you know, right? 9 is the greatest number, 6 is the smallest number. So in the greatest number, what method will come? The fish opening method. So open. Open side is greater. Closed side is lesser. So 97. Understood, ma? Understood? Okay. Then you have to add and write. Okay? You have to use the symbols. Here 12 plus 5. 12 plus means 12 in the mind. You have to take how many fingers? 5 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, right? So here you write. If you are adding 12 plus 5, the answer is 17. Now you compare. 17 is the greatest number or 27? Which number will come? You check. These two numbers are two-digit number. So you check here 1, here 2. So which number is greater? 2 is greater, 1 is smaller, right? So which symbol will come? The greater sign? The greater sign will open, right? The greater sign will open method. So you have to use the open method. Understood, ma? Understood, everyone? Okay. The next one. Here 69. Here 60 plus 9. So 60 plus 9 means you have to write 60. Then in the ones place 9 is there. Right? 60, you have to write 60. In the ones place 9 is there. Now you add 0 plus 9, 9. 6 here no numbers, so 0. 6 plus 0, 60. So 69. So both the numbers are same. Here also 69, here also 69. So equal. So what symbol will come? Equal. Both the numbers are same means what number, what symbol will come? Equal. Understood, ma? Okay, then see the next one. Here 89. Here 80 plus 1. 80 plus 1 means 80 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 0, 8. 81. So here 80 plus 1 is 81. So 89 is the biggest number or 81. Which number is greater? Which number is smaller? 89 is a greater number. 81 is a smaller number. So greater sign, the fish opening method. So this side the fish will open, right? 89 greater than 81. This is less. This is greater. Understood, ma? Then see the next one. 48, 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 means 10 in the mind. You have to take 5 finger. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 plus 5, 15. So when we compare this 48 plus 15, which number is greater, ma? 48 is greater, 15 is lesser. So greater sign, the opening method. The fish will opening method. This is greater sign. This is less. Less sign means the mouth will be closed. Okay, understood? So today what we studied? In comparison of numbers, and what we studied? Symbols, right? Symbols we studied. 3 types of symbols are there. Greater than symbol, less than symbol and equal symbol. Like that we studied and we saw more example sums, right? So you have to write, okay, again and again you have to practice. Okay, students? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. So by 3 is what we have to do? We have to skip how many numbers? 2 numbers. 1 and 2 you have to skip and write 3. Then 4 and 5 you have to skip and write 6. Then 7 and 8 you have to skip and write 9. Like that it will be goes on. Okay, ma, understood? So skip counting by 3s means what you have to do? You have to skip how many numbers? 2 numbers you have to skip. Okay, 2 numbers you have to skip and write the number. Skip counting by 2s means only 1 number you have to skip. 3s means 2 number you have to skip and write the answer. Okay, ma? Understood? So today we studied symbols, right? Greater than, less than, equal to. Then ascending order, descending order. Then ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Then skip counting by 2s and 3s we studied, right? So again and again you have to write the sum and you have to write the answer also. Okay, ma? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.